So in this video, I'm quickly just going to cover the Monese Refer a Friend program, where you can find your referral code, and how you can earn up to £150 just by referring your friends to Monese. So first off, obviously we're on the home dashboard here. So to find your referral code, you'll just need to click Invite at the bottom here. Then as you can see here, you can refer up to 15 friends and get paid up to £150 just by referring your friends to Monese. So as you can see here, here's my own referral code. If you follow all the steps covered in this video, you'll get rewarded £10 for yourself. To refer your own friends is quite simple. You simply just need to give them your own unique code, and then they'll need to use it on sign up. Now, obviously, once they've signed up, there are a few steps they'll need to complete. So we'll click on this information tab at the top here, which will dive into all the unique steps. So first off, it's important to know that your code is limited to 15 people. So if you are to refer a friend, you'll just need to ensure that they'll sign up to Monese and complete all the steps, as unfortunately you can only refer 15. So the reward's broken down into two parts. For both you and your friend to earn the first 5 pawns, you'll need to ensure that your friend signs up to Monese, orders a physical card, and once they've got that physical card, make at least one transaction on that new card. So it is quite a simple step. And considering the reward is 5 pawns, it's certainly worth doing. Overall, that is pretty much it. Thanks again for watching.